Rome began as a republic around 509 BCE. Citizens elected leaders, and power was balanced between the Senate and the people. But as Rome expanded, conquering new lands, this system started to strain. Ambitious generals like Julius Caesar gained huge influence. In 27 BCE, Caesar's adopted son Augustus became Rome's first emperor. From that moment, Rome was no longer just a republic, it was an empire. Two, life in the empire. At its height, Rome ruled over 70 million people. Life in the empire varied. In Rome itself, citizens enjoyed public baths, theaters, and gladiator games at the Colosseum. Aqueducts brought fresh water, and roads connected distant provinces. But not everyone had it easy. Slavery was common, and conquered peoples often struggled under Roman rule. 3. Power and expansion. The Roman army was the backbone of the empire. Well-trained, disciplined, and highly organized, they conquered territory from Britain to Egypt. The empire was held together by its network of roads, cities, and laws. The famous saying, "All roads lead to Rome," was almost literally true. Latin language and Roman culture spread across the empire, shaping Europe for centuries. 4. Challenges and decline. The Roman Empire faced constant problems: corruption, economic troubles, and invasions. In 285 CE, the empire was split into East and West to make it easier to manage. The Western Roman Empire fell in 476 CE, when Rome was overrun by Germanic tribes. But the Eastern Empire, also called the Byzantine Empire, lasted another 1,000 years, keeping Roman culture alive. 5. Legacy of Rome. Even though Rome fell, its influence never disappeared. Roman law became the foundation for many legal systems. Roman roads, architecture, and engineering inspired future generations. And languages like Spanish, French, and Italian all come from Latin, the language of Rome. Don't forget to subscribe for more history explained clearly.